Today we are making some delicious Suya oven baked chicken. So juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and super delicious. It gives you that hot, spicy Suya kick. So if you'd like to see how I made this, please keep watching. So onto our list of ingredients, you need some onion powder. I love lots of it. You need some black pepper powder, some curry powder, fennel seeds, rosemary, which both goes so well with seasoning poultry. You also need some ginger powder. Of course, the king of our ingredients, which is the Suya powder. If you do not have this at home, I've shown how to make it at home. So please click on the link above and you find it. I also showed you some melted butter, and of course I'm using chicken thighs for this. Okay, so we'll begin by crushing or grinding our fennel seeds and rosemary. You don't want to use them whole because it's not too pleasant biting into them, so I'm going to grind it with my clay mortar until it's partially smooth, just like so. Next, we're going to combine all our seasonings by transferring it all into one bowl. So in goes all the powdered seasonings as well. You'll then be adding your Suya powder and then the melted butter. Mix it all together to combine. Of course, not forgetting your salt, okay? If you're still here, thank you so much for watching and for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this page if you haven't done so, as is the only way to support the channel grow, okay? Now onto our chicken. I'll make some incisions into the chicken so the seasonings can seep deep into the chicken, which is what you want, okay? You want to taste it very well. I'll then smear the combined seasoning onto the chicken. Make sure to insert some into the incisions, lift the skin and insert some under the skin. You want to make the most of the seasoning, which will give you the maximum flavor. Yes, we are back with the maximum flavor. So make sure to season it very well, okay? That will give you the best of the flavors you need. Once done, transfer your seasoned chicken to your casserole dish. Cover it with a cling film and allow it to marinate overnight, or if you do not have time, you can allow it to marinate for 2 hours before popping it into the fridge. Of course, please do not forget to smear the rest of your melted butter onto the chicken so that when you bake it, it will be very juicy on the inside, okay? It's been 2 hours now, so I'll pop my chicken into the oven, my preheated oven actually, and allow it to grill at 250 degrees for up to an hour, depending on how hot your oven is. Make sure to check on it intermittently. After about 30 minutes, I'm going to take some of the juices and smear it all over the chicken. Making it this way will allow you to get the juiciest chicken ever, okay? So make sure to smear enough of it onto the chicken, pop it back into the oven, allow it to continue grilling for about 15 minutes, and voila, our chicken is ready. Just look at that. So delicious. Very crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. This is definitely a must try. If you do try it, please come back and let me know. So I'm not going to throw the juices out. I will keep it for the next time I make stew or jollof. Just look at that. So juicy, and it was simply delicious. I paired this with my shrimp fried rice, which was so good. A good combo indeed. If you haven't seen the recipe, please click on the link above or check my videos for the recipe for this fried rice. It was so delicious. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye.